Hello everyone, my name is Daria and today we are going to talk about proverbs, Russian proverbs, because recently a video went viral on Russian social media featuring Willem Dafoe hilariously translating Russian proverbs, and it's really funny and cute to have such hobby just to pick up some proverbs from one unknown language and to translate them to English. And today we will talk about 3 proverbs, and let's start with this one.
Masha is fine, but she is not mine.
And he has this specific laugh at the end of the video and at the end of each proverb, and it's kind of cool. Russian version is Хороша Маша, да не наша. Masha is a name of a girl. Хороша Маша, да не наша. And he translated it as Masha is nice, but she is not mine. It's kind of funny, but the translation of this phrase, Russian phrase, is Masha is nice, but she is not ours. The meaning is when you have something desirable, but you cannot achieve it or have it, you may say Хороша Маша, да не наша. For example, you want a sport car, Ferrari, but you cannot buy it. And you may say, yeah, Ferrari is good, but it's not mine. Хороша Маша, да не наша. And have you noticed that it's easy to say because 3 of the words have the ending sha. Хороша Маша, да не наша. So it's really easy to say, try to say it out loud. Хороша Маша, да не наша. 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 Yeah, I know this proverb, and I think most of Russian people also know this, but I would speak for myself, my friends and we don't use proverbs like frequently in our daily speech. Sometimes when you have a specific thought, you may just say the proverb, but more often we don't use proverbs. And if you talk about like older generation, they can use proverbs more frequently. The next proverb.
Don't have 100 rubles, have 100 friends.
Don't have 100 rubles, but have 100 friends. Не имей 100 рублей, а имей 100 друзей. Не имей 100 рублей, а имей 100 друзей. The meaning is quite literal. From this sentence we may understand that it's better to have more friends than to be rich, because you can get human things from money. You can get humans things like friendship, support from money. You can get this only from close friends, and to have close friends you have to work on the relationship with humans, and in difficult situations 100 friends can help you to overcome this situation. I think this proverb is kind of questionable, so could you tell me please, what do you prefer to have, like $1 million or 100 friends? What do you choose? On the one hand, you have $1 billion, you may buy support, you may buy advice from professionals, you may buy You may buy trust, companionship. Такие друзья, это чего не нужны. You can buy almost everything for money, but you can buy close relationship, like real relationship that these people love you not for money but for you. I think this is only one difference which you can get from money. You can buy truth relationship and trust and real trust of other people for money, because you will never know do they like you for your money or for you. So I will be waiting for your answer. What do you prefer, like for now? Would you rather choose to have 100 friends or $1 billion? This proverb is also easy to pronounce because we have сто like twice in this sentence. Рублей, друзей, the ending is ей, рублей, друзей, and the word имей. So let's try. Не имей 100 рублей, а имей 100 друзей. Не имей 100 рублей, а имей 100 друзей. Не имей 100 рублей, а имей 100 друзей. And the next one, this one.
Don't say hop before you jump.
Yeah. Don't say hop until you've jumped. Не говори гоп, пока не перепрыгнешь. Не говори гоп, пока не перепрыгнешь. Don't be too optimistic about achieving something until you achieve it. Why you shouldn't be too optimistic about something? Let's talk about it. Maybe you will have like the options that something will not happen, and to be ready for that one. If you are sure about something and you tell everyone that you will achieve it like 100%, but you will not do that, you will be very sad in the end, because everyone will come to you and ask the questions like, did you do that? And you just say, no, I didn't do that, unfortunately I couldn't do that. So I think the meaning is that just not to be upset in the end. Say not that optimistic sentences to people and to yourself in the first place. Maybe it's good, maybe it's not that good. But we have another example. Arnold Schwarzenegger. By the way, I don't know how to say in English. Arnold Schwarzenegger? Schwarzenegger, maybe. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Давайте посмотрим. Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Schwarzenegger? Arnold Schwarzenegger. Okay, let's try it. Arnold Schwarzenegger. I hope that you know this guy, but he told that if you have goal, you shouldn't have a second option for this goal. It means that you, in your brain, you just have the variety of options. If you don't achieve A plan, you can easily go to B, C, and D plans. But he said that you should focus only A plan and to achieve it no matter what. Because if you just think in your mind that maybe you will not achieve it, and your brain, okay, we may have failures in that, and we can just choose another easier option. I think this proverb also is questionable, and it depends on a person. I really like that I found this video with Willem Dafoe. He made my day with his translations of Russian proverbs. What's your favorite from these 3 proverbs? And don't forget to answer the questions. What do you prefer, $1 billion or 100 friends? Thank you for watching, and bye.